closed, I heard.
It wasn't up to me. I just said Blade's coming over like Michael Jackson. Pharmacy on.
Oh.
Bring it out with it. Reverend Al, me and Al going shopping.
You and Al?
Me and Reverend Al.
Oh, you went to Sharpton.
I'm gonna get the same. We go to the same barber again. James Brown hairdo, man. Protege. The man of soul. Stop it, Brown. Don't do it.
You like that shirt, don't you, Dad?
Yeah, man. I used to work with this black guy in high school in the chicken thing, and James Brown would come on. He'd start like this. Stop it, Brown. He'd start dancing and stuff like that. I want to get Kentucky Fried Chicken Villa.
Only Emily's gonna see this video.
16 pots of chicken every 20 minutes.